Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another crochet hair tutorial. So today I am showing you guys my new and improved and updated invisible illusion individual crochet braid pattern. So this time I am doing a lot more of the box braids that will be used as the individual crochet method. Normally I don't use a lot of the individual crochet method because I'm really terrible at it and it's a struggle for me, so I try to avoid it at all costs. But I thought for this style it would look more natural, and in the end it did, so I'm glad I put forth the extra time and energy and creativity to come up with this braid pattern for you guys. So here I started off with a middle part and the front half of my head. Then I took a 1/2 inch section of hair and just parted that off. Then I took a small box of hair in the front of that section and braided that off. And then I braided 4 more individual box braids using that section right there. Then I created another section the exact same size as the boxes that I created before and created 4 boxes in that section. So I continued making those 1/2 inch part sections. After I finished this, I did 5 altogether on either side of my head. And I created the same braid pattern that I always do with a small sliver of hair in between. And then I used that to create 3 legs to create a cornrow. So I created a cornrow with the sections in the back, on the side. And I decided to leave those 2 box braids in the front open so I could use those for the individual crochet method. And then I created the cornrows with the box braids left over. So in the end, on this side, you should have a middle part that has 4 box braids and a perimeter section that has 4 box braids. And then you should have 2 cornrow sections in between those. And you should do that on both sides. I know it looks a little complicated, but if you watch my previous videos, you'll see exactly what I'm doing, and I will link those super detailed videos down below. So the hair that I have today is from LEONYERI store, and they are on Amazon. It's a multi-pack of 14-inch goddess boho box bob braids. They have curly ends, and you will get 7 packs in the bundle that you purchase from Amazon. In each of the 7 packs, you will receive 16 boho box braids, and they have the crochet loop at the top. You're just gonna put that crochet hook through your box braid. You're going to attach the bottom to the hook, pull that through. Then you're going to pull your own hair through the loop, and then you're going to thread your hair through the box braid using the crochet needle. Now here I tried to show it how you thread your own hair through the box braid, but apparently my camera, I was out of the screen of the camera, and so you can't see me threading my crochet hook through the actual box braid, but that's what I'm doing there. And then I go ahead and use the crochet hook to grab my own braid and then pull that through the threaded area that I use to thread the crochet needle through the actual braid, the crochet braid. So I'm pulling my hair through, and that's what I was doing there, but you can't see it. And that's the only clip that I showed it, because I'm like struggle city when I do individual box braids. individual crochet box braids. That's why I tried to avoid it. That's why I came up with the braid pattern that you don't have to do it with. But with this braid pattern and these crochet braids, it is necessary to have some of the individual braids just to give it that really natural look that normal box braids are going to give you. I think more so than anything with braids and twists, you really want to see those separated sections to your scalp to make it just look really, really natural. And what I love about this braid pattern is you can literally see like the boxes down to your scalp, and I think it just makes it look a lot less like crochets on cornrows, and it looks more like individual crochets or even individual box braids, which is really the illusion that you want to go for. But you just want to save yourself some time and some money. You want to be able to get that illusion look for the low. So we're illusionists over here, so we're trying our best to come up with things. So let me know if you guys would try this braid pattern, if you feel like it's something that would add value to you. I didn't show me doing any crochets in the back. I feel like I've shown that so many times. We all know how to crochet our twists and locks and things in the back on regular cornrows. I think the most important part was showing it on this braid pattern. And I just love how natural it looks. Like, I think it looks really, really great. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to do my makeup and show you guys what it looks like with a couple different styling options and with the parted spaces with my head completely finished. So overall, you guys, my feeling about this hair is I'm ecstatic. Like, it came out so much better than I ever imagined. I love these braids. I love this style. It's so lightweight. It's the perfect length. I would do this style and wear this style over and over and over again. The ends of the hair are very silky, so I didn't get to wear it that long, but I think that this hair will wear really nicely. I find that braids tend to last really long when you have them as crochets, even longer than twists and locks, because they just don't fray as easily. So definitely check this hair out, you guys. I feel like it's a style that you should absolutely give a try. It's very, very, very trendy right now. These boho box braid bobs, I see them all over Instagram, and I've been dying to try this style. So I'm super happy I was able to get this look and share it with you guys so that you can find this option and create this style for yourself. If you don't have a stylist or a braider in your area that can achieve this style for you, or if it's just out of your budget, this is definitely a budget friendly style. As long as you put forth a little bit of time and a little bit of energy, you can get a really, really beautiful style from these crochets for a really great price. So I'll leave links down below. Hopefully I'll be able to get a coupon code for you guys as well, and I'll share that in the info box. Make sure you guys are sharing my videos. Make make sure you're giving them a huge thumbs up. It super helps me out to beat this crazy YouTube algorithm. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for rocking with me and watching. So yeah, make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.